So today we are reporting on 4 periods from the end of 2020 to today. So on December 31st to January 1st, we had 565 new cases diagnosed in British Columbia. From January 1st to 2nd, an additional 607 new cases. From January 2nd to 3rd, another 500 new cases. And in the last 24 hours, 539 new people were identified with COVID-19. So that brings our total from last Thursday to 2,211 new cases diagnosed with COVID-19, including 22 who were epidemiologically linked. That brings our total to 54,201 people in British Columbia. Of the new cases, 389 were people who live in Vancouver Coastal Health, 1,301 were people living in the Fraser Health region, 64 people were in Vancouver Island Health, 288 people in Interior Health, 169 in Northern Health. We now have 6,823 active cases across British Columbia, of whom 351 people are in hospital, 76 of whom are in critical care or ICU. Additionally, we have 8,785 people under active public health monitoring, excluding Northern Health, which continues to work on our IT system around that issue. So an additional 45,229 people have recovered from COVID-19. Over the past 5 days, we've had an additional 4 days, we've had an additional 45 people who've died from COVID-19 in British Columbia. And once again, the majority of them are seniors and elders in long-term care, or in some cases in our community. And I know of at least 2 First Nations elders who passed away over the last few days. And that, of course, affects us all. We've had 946 people who've died from COVID-19 in British Columbia in this pandemic. And I know their families, the care providers, and our communities are all mourning their loss. And our condolences go out to everybody who's been affected. We have 6 new healthcare outbreaks in the province at the Braddon Private Hospital, Creekside Landing, Kin Village, Madison Care Centre, Royal City Manor, and Williams Lake Seniors Village. An additional 8 outbreaks have been declared over, including Chilliwack Lifestyles, Finnish Manor, which was another one of the more difficult outbreaks that we have had in the province, Holyrood Manor, Northcrest Care Centre, St. Jude's Anglican Home, the Gardens at Qualicum Beach, the Residence at Clayton Heights, and 3 Links Care Centre. Another one of those most challenging of our outbreaks have thankfully been declared over now. That leaves us 52 active outbreaks in long-term care and assisted living and 8 in acute care, involving 1,427 residents and 758 staff. In addition, there's been 1 new community outbreak declared at the Portal Shelter in the Fraser Health region, and the one that we had been managing at Cove Shelter has now been contained and declared over.